Hello, everyone. I'm Zahra Musavi, and I'm pleased to present a smart toothbrush that was developed in my lab for individuals with dementia or Alzheimer's in particular, and as well as for children. Alzheimer's disease is a thief. It comes and it steals the most precious memories that people identify themselves with. It is a very clever thief indeed, because people who are affected don't even know what they have lost. They just feel lost in time and space. At moderate and advanced stages, Alzheimer's patients have impaired visual object recognition, but they can still recognize color. They can understand and follow verbal instructions as well. I still remember the day that my mother at moderate stages of Alzheimer's was holding a toothbrush and looking at it cluelessly. At that moment, I thought, if the toothbrush could give my mom some instructions as what to do, perhaps it could have preserved her dignity a little bit more. Why maintaining oral hygiene is so important, and what does it have to do with Alzheimer's? Well, the research has shown that gum diseases are highly correlated with accelerating cognitive decline. It has been shown that the periodontal parameters in severe dementia is up to 3 times higher than that in healthy people. There are electric toothbrushes in the market like Oral-B, however, yet there is no smart toothbrush for people with dementia. Our device has some main features, and they include using auditory and visual hints. Remember that I said Alzheimer's patient may not recognize a toothbrush from a toothpaste, however, they recognize color. Also, our device guides the user if they do not follow the instruction. If they do, it doesn't interfere, but if they don't follow, it gives them some hints. It has 2 major components, hardware and software, and the main toothbrush, which looks like it's with the size of a regular toothbrush. And the software is an app that comes in both for Apple and Android, also has the capability that record the voice of the caregiver, and so that the patient hears a familiar voice. The hardware, of course, includes gyroscope, accelerometer, and many different electronic equipment. This video shows the initial version that is much more complete, and it has sensors on everything. It is guiding the user, who is the student who developed it, Mohammed, and step by step it has. The initial version, this one shows that all the components we use an Oral-B head brush for the head. However, we also designed our own head brush that has embedded sensors in it. However, due to the cost and the fact that we need further funding to develop it, we just give the simplified version that looks like this to patients to try and give us some feedbacks. The market analysis showed that the use of electronic toothbrush, reached over 300 million in 2018, and it is expected to increase over 800 million by 2027. The demand for this type of toothbrush is expected to increase due to advancement in technology. The rise in the occurrence rate of oral diseases is also encouraging concerning consumers to choose smart electric toothbrushes, especially that nowadays people are aware of Alzheimer's and its correlation with dental disorders. So I expect that in the future, it will be a large market for the device that we have designed. While we were inspired to design this smart toothbrush for Alzheimer's patients, however, it can be used to educate and encourage children to brush their teeth. In fact, all of my grandchildren love to use this toothbrush. Or it can be used in any population with any learning disability, like cerebral palsy children. Last but not the least, I would like to acknowledge the support that we have had, including people's donation. Thank you.